Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another drawer organization. It's the same. It's going to be the same as we did in the cream drawer. So this time I'm just going to do yellow. I'm just randomly picking colors. I'm not going in rainbow order or anything. So here's the yellow drawer, and that kind of shows you everything that's in there. And then we're just going to go through, pull out things that we need to go take a quicker look at, a deeper look at, I should say, and then pull out anything that shouldn't be in this drawer. So we have a big bag here, so I'm going to take that over to my workspace. Just looking through some of these other things. This is Czech Glass, that shouldn't be in there. I'm not sure. I got this strand from Tracy's to stash, and I don't know if that's Czech, so I'm going to leave it in there until I find out. More Czech Glass I'm seeing. I have some polymer clay in here. I actually have some polymer clay in a different spot, but I don't know. I think I'll leave those in here. Acrylic. I'm seeing some faux gemstones, some tiger eye, some glass. Oh, some more Czech Glass. More Czech Glass, and then we have another big bag of yellow that we need to go through. So all of that's moving over to my desk. And then I actually don't know. I think these are just glass, not Czech. Ooh, these are vintage. I got these when I was like 15. So like brand new when I was 15, so now they're vintage. Now I'm old. Okay. Some fire polish beads. I think everything else in here at the moment is supposed to be, oh no, I lied. Here's some more Czech Glass. And I think these are Czech Glass. So what I explained in my other video is that only in these drawers I keep plastic, acrylic, glass, ceramic, and then specialty beads move over to a different spot. And I consider specialty to be Czech Glass, gemstone, handmade things like that. Sea glass, stuff that's not really supposed to be in just a regular drawer. And I don't know what these are, but they're amazing. Can't even tell if they're glass or not. They're acrylic, but they're super cool. I'm gonna put them like closer so you can see them. Very cool. So I think we're good. Everything else in here is acrylic and or glass at the moment. Maybe ceramic, like we have ceramic birds, but nothing, no gemstones, nothing like that. So this is faux, like this is like simulated gemstones, but it's glass. So I'm going to keep those in here. All right. I will meet you over at the table. Okay, so I am back at the table, and I am just going to kind of go through everything really quickly in both of these bags to see if it belongs in that drawer or not. So first thing I saw were these Czech Glass beads that I got from a recent haul, and no, those aren't supposed to be in there, and I forgot that I even bought them. So those are going over in my Czech Glass drawer. And it's nice because my yellow drawer was pretty empty, but I've been filling it up, and now I should have just gone through this drawer because I have a lot of Czech Glass and yellow apparently. So we have some fire polished beads in like a Jonquil AB, some more fire polished, some little faces. These are the ones I showed you earlier. I've had them since I was probably 15, 16. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're back in style now. Woohoo! So those will all go into my Czech stash. Oops, sorry. We have some Czech Glass flowers, and this is just kind of, I'm not really doing like a show and tell. I'm just trying to figure out what belongs in that drawer and what doesn't. And I can't tell. Yeah, these are fire polished. Yeah, they're supposed to be in there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of dump this bag. It's huge though. It's a gallon bag. I'm gonna just dump the bag here. It's not all going to fit in the screen, but I'll kind of show you what I'm moving where once I get through everything. So Goldie's in the room and she's got her toy, and when she seeks her toy, that's because she's anxious because I'm talking and I'm not talking to her. Or I'm not paying attention to her. So please please excuse me for the squeaking if she keeps squeaking. All right, so that's all the stuff from the bag. These are just acrylic. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me push them that way a little bit so we have some room. I'm seeing some acrylic here. This looks like this bag was mostly acrylic. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. It's funny seeing some of these beads after a while. They've all been in my storage. I mean, they're all in baggies like this, and I kind of just threw everything in its right color. These, I'm going to get rid of these. Those are going to go in my de-stash pile. This is nice, going through stuff that I don't want. Oh, these are vintage. I used to use these. They're vintage acrylic, hand-painted. I used those in my jewelry making when I sold jewelry back in the day, about 10 years ago. 8 years ago. 8, 7. These are vintage lace beads. Crackle glass. So this all belongs, acrylic, all belongs in my drawer. I'm going to get rid of those. Hand painted acrylic again, acrylic, plastic acrylic, whatever you want to call it. I have a lot of these. I really liked them when I got them from Fire Mountain Gems. I just never used them, so I need to use them and or get rid of some of them. Acrylic. Are these? They are coated, but they're not the rubber coated, so I'll keep them. Those are glass. Glass. Acrylic. What are these? Jade. So these would go in my gemstones. Oh, these are vintage moon glow beads. Or like the acrylic version of cat's eye, kind of. Acrylic. Now these are like, I got these from dollarbead.com back in the day. These are like the sea glass style beads. Those are going to go in my sea glass drawer. So those don't go back in the yellow drawer. Glass, acrylic. These are going to be sold. Glass. Acrylic. I used a lot of acrylic beads making vintage style jewelry when I was making jewelry to sell. More acrylic. So that's why you'll see a lot of the bubblegum ball beads. I love them. I've always loved round beads. I don't know what it is. I mean, come on guys. I like beads. Surprise! So more acrylic. Plastic. I used to take a lot of apart jewelry that was on sale. Plastic. Okay, so that was the first bag. That can go back in the yellow drawer. Someday, I'll figure out how to organize the yellow drawer other than just baggies. But for now, that's good enough. So these are Czech Glass flowers. These, I think... Yeah, they're Czech Glass pumpkin beads. I've always had a trouble classifying those as yellow or orange. Sometimes they look yellow, sometimes they look orange. Okay, and then here's the second bag of yellow beads. Okay, so we'll go through these. First thing I'm seeing are these, and these are Czech Glass. Wow, I haven't used any of these. These I got before I lived in Arizona. I came out here in 2016 to shop and visit family at, see how I prioritize the bead shopping? I came to visit family and then shopped at a bead store while I was out here, and they had these on sale for like 80 or 90% off. Aren't those cool? I wonder what I could do with those. Yeah, these used to be $5.25 and they had the red dots, so they were like anywhere from 70 to 90% off. I can't remember, at a local bead store that I haven't been in a couple of years now that I live here. I probably haven't been there since 2018. So, oh wow, this is I want to show you guys this. I know this is more show and tell than me organizing, but this is how I used to organize when I was in college. I had all these beads, and I used to hang them on the wall with with push pins. So these are all Czech Glass beads that I kind of put on the same strand. Now, Past Brittany wasn't too bright, because what if I wanted to use these yellow beads? Well, I'd either have to cut the strand or take them all off the strand and then restrand them. I don't know if this was an attempt at a bracelet. I don't know. But I know some of these beads are Czech and some aren't. But they're all going to just go back in the yellow drawer because I don't want to cut that apart right now. But these are probably all Czech. Goodness, these are some cool beads. So yeah, all of those will go in my Czech drawers. We have some acrylic. Oh, these are cute little pineapples. Those are ceramic, so those are going to go back in the drawer. We have acrylic. What do we got going on here? What is this? Oh, these are acrylic. They feel like glass, but they're acrylic. Some more Moonglow, vintage Moonglow beads. Some acrylic. Looks like a bead soup in here of stuff that I've done but never really did anything with. Mostly it looks like acrylic and just glass. There are some stones in there, but I'm not going to take those out. Some more fire polished. I don't know if these are Czech. Does it say? It just says bead strand gemstone yellow. They're not gemstone beads though. They're marble. Oh, would you look at that? Czech. Yep, those will go in the Czech drawer. I did not know I had that many yellow Czech beads. These are just faceted yellow beads. This is drop glass yellow, but I'm almost 100% sure those are Czech. Are these acrylic? Yeah, they're cute though. Those are neat. Ooh, they're faceted. Sorry, we're looking at these. These are kind of cool. Yeah, those are neat. I used to use these in some vintage style necklaces. These are acrylic, but they're fashioned to look like bone. I think these are Czech fish. Oh yeah, those are sweet. Can't tell you where I got them because I don't know. I've had them for several years. Maybe Pactans, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Oh, some cute little hearts. They're acrylic though. Glass Czech flowers in yellow. Sorry for the sneak peek of that bracelet. These are acrylic. I think these are Czech Glass. Yeah, these are just fire polished. So those, I'm gonna have to change up my drawers because I have way more yellow Czech Glass than I thought, and I don't think all this will fit in the yellow drawer that I have right now. So eventually I will show you how that is stored. For a sneak peek, if you're on TikTok, you can go to my page. It's just Turquoise.Street, or I think on TikTok, and I showed a really quick view of my Czech drawer storage. These are Czech. 3 little tiny beads. Let's see, what do we got going on over here? Ooh, these are beautiful. I know I got these in Phoenix at that same store that I talked about earlier. They're like matte luster, AB yumminess. Yummy. Are these Czech? Yeah, I'm almost, I don't know, so I'm not going to put them in there. What do we have here? Oh, I must have just put some yellow discs on a chain before and decided not to sell it. So I'm going to put those. Those are Czech. Czech flowers. Used to use these all the time. These are just faceted glass. More acrylic. Some fishies. I don't know if those are Czech though. We'll check those out. No pun intended. And then some more fire polish. Wow, I have a lot. Where was all this stuff when I was like looking for yellow stuff? like a week ago. I didn't even know I had all this stuff. Okay, so these are not Czech. They're glass, and they're not Czech. I think I got those a long time ago at Walmart. Acrylic bead caps. Little acrylic beads. I'm gonna get rid of those. Don't need those. I think all of these are Czech, except for maybe that guy. More Czech flowers, different shape, same color. Now, the other day when I did the ivory ones, I didn't know if these were Czech, but they look like it. I just don't know. Oh, it says made in India. Well, that could mean the bag, though. I don't know. So we'll put those just in the regular glass. Ooh, more yellow flowers. Gosh, these have EAB on them. That's cool. Past Brittany was awesome at shopping. I mean, current Brittany is awesome at shopping, but past Brittany knew what was up. And some acrylic. And then, okay, so let's look at these little fishies. Because I know the other ones were Czech Glass, but I don't know if these are. These are cool. Probably bought them just because to buy them before, and I really didn't like them, but now I really love them. All right, so it says made in China. These are not Czech. Okay, so that was us going through the yellow bags drawer, the yellow drawer. And I had a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Let me know what color you want me to do next. I hope you guys have a good night. Bye-bye. Oh, stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And like and subscribe. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Oh, hi, cutie. You need a haircut. You comfy? Are you comfortable? Looks like it. Good night.